If you want to take macro photos on POCO X8 Pro, unfortunately there is no dedicated macro mode or a button that allows you to use the macro camera, simply because there is no dedicated macro camera on this phone. However, there is still a little trick that we can do to actually take a macro photo. What we can do is we can keep the distance between the subject and our camera. Of course, we need to keep enough distance so that the subject is actually sharp and clear. There is no like blur or anything like that on the preview. And then you can use zoom. Of course, the more zoom you use, the worse the image is going to be. So you probably want to avoid using very high zoom values, like for example, and I would say anything above a 5x would be a little bit too much, although of course if you want to, feel free to still use it. And of course if you keep the camera too close, then you will see that the preview gets blurry, so this is why we need to keep the distance to make sure that the image is sharp, and this is also why we use the zoom. And there we go. Once you take the photo, you will see that we can easily use the macro, well, we cannot use the macro mode, but we can easily take macro photos on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.